Imagine a world without tires. Every drive would be rough, uncomfortable, and almost impossible on certain roads. But thanks to modern engineering, today's tires provide safety, durability, and high performance. Have you ever wondered how car tires are made? Tires have come a long way from simple wooden wheels to advanced rubber compounds. The very first car tires were actually solid rubber, but these lacked flexibility and made driving extremely rough. Everything changed in 1888 when John Dunlop invented the first air-filled tire, making vehicles much smoother to drive. Over the years, innovations like tread patterns, reinforced rubber, and synthetic materials have transformed the industry. Today's tires are not just rubber, they are a combination of science, engineering, and precision manufacturing. Let's take you inside a tire factory to explore how raw materials are transformed into high-performance tires that keep our vehicles rolling safely on the road. A modern car tire is made up of over 15 different materials, each carefully selected to maximize performance, durability, and safety. But at the heart of every tire is rubber, both natural and synthetic. Here's what goes into a tire: natural and synthetic rubber for elasticity and durability, carbon black and silica for extra strength and heat resistance, chemical additives to improve traction and longevity, and steel reinforcements for structural integrity. Massive industrial blenders heat and mix these ingredients under extreme pressure, forming a thick, gummy rubber dough. This is then rolled into large rubber sheets that are prepped for further processing. Rubber alone isn't strong enough to support a vehicle's weight. That's why tires are reinforced with fabric and steel layers to improve strength, flexibility, and durability. A machine called a calender coats polyester fabric with warm rubber, creating a reinforced sheet that makes the tire stronger and more resistant to wear. This step is crucial for ensuring tires can handle extreme temperatures and high speeds. To further strengthen the tire, cotton cords are added at a precise angle, forming tiny venting channels that allow air to escape during assembly. These microscopic details prevent air bubbles from weakening the tire structure. The tread is the most important part of a tire. It's what contacts the road and provides grip, traction, and control. Different tread patterns are designed for specific driving conditions. Performance tires have shallow treads for maximum road grip, while off-road tires have deep grooves for better traction on rough terrain. The depth and shape of tread patterns help disperse water and improve handling in wet conditions. In the factory, rubber is shaped into precise tread patterns using extrusion machines. The rubber is then cut to exact lengths for final assembly. To ensure a tire stays firmly attached to the wheel, it needs steel reinforcement. This is where the steel bead comes in. High-tension steel cables are coated with rubber and molded into perfectly sized hoops. These beads prevent the tire from slipping off the rim under extreme pressure. Now it's time to build the tire. A high-tech rotating drum assembles all components layer by layer. To make the tire strong, elastic, and road-ready, it undergoes a process called vulcanization. The tire is placed inside a hot mold where pressurized steam expands the rubber and imprints the final tread pattern. This high-temperature process permanently bonds the materials, ensuring durability and long-lasting performance. Before hitting the road, each tire undergoes strict quality control tests to ensure safety and performance. Engineers test for pressure, durability, and alignment. From raw rubber to high-performance engineering, this process ensures that every tire is built for the road ahead. If you enjoyed this behind-the-scenes look, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing factory tours.